And executive traffic, Sierra 2 for Delta Mike's clear the active taxi back to runway 9. Executive. Going to do an Angel flight on May 16th in this.
Gonna do a what flight?
That's an Angel flight, so pilots that have planes volunteer their time to go pick up people that can't afford the travel to go get medical treatment.
Oh my God, wow.
I've done one before. It was nice from Leesburg to Nashville, Connecticut. Really fulfilling. This couple had this lady had a condition that could only be treated in New York. So myself and another pilot got her treatment was done, so we got her home to Nashville.
That's awesome.
Yep, I'm doing another one for a 17-year-old kid with some condition.
Wow.
But nice to be able to give back when you can.
Charleston Executive Traffic, Cap 3990, turning final, runway 9, Charleston Executive.
Especially cool when you kind of get to meet the person because you're taking them somewhere.
Yeah, this one I'm flying from Stafford up to Stafford, Virginia, up to Cincinnati. Kind of nice because my sister lives near Cincinnati, so I'll stop and see them for a night.
What part are you from again?
Illinois.
How did your sister end up in Cincinnati?
Her husband had to move there for work.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's an okay place.
Hey, it's better than Illinois. Illinois is a shithole state, and I can say that because I'm from there. Still have my friends back there that I miss a lot, and my mom and dad, but my mom is probably going to be moving there.
I love Georgia. I don't have anything bad to say about it. I really don't want to move back, though, weirdly enough, as much as I do like it.
Oh, you're not going to move back.
I mean, I might.
What do you mean you might?
Charleston Executive
Your house is up there in Charlotte.
Doesn't mean I have to keep it forever. Grant wants to move to Atlanta.
No, Atlanta's nice. My brother used to live there.
Yeah, it's not my favorite place. He wants to live, like, south of Atlanta, where it's more, like, country, but, you know, like, the city stuff's close by, but I just don't really care for it. It's not my favorite area.
Yeah, you can be a country bumpkin.
Oh, there's a bunch of deer over there.
As long as they stay off the runway.
I've heard horror stories.
Yeah. Boost bump on, Reg flaps 50.
See him?
What's that?
See him? Can you see the deer?
No. I don't want to use the white light because I don't want to destroy my night vision.
That reminds me of my cutter days.
All right, so I'll do one more. Charleston Executive, Sierra 248 Delta Mike's departing runway 9, staying in the pattern. Charleston Executive. Clear to the left, clear to the right.
Yeah, he was wanting to switch over to Delta eventually instead of American, and if he does that, then we can't stay where we're at.
Gotcha. All right. All right, that's full power. 60. A lot of things can change, Ashley.
That's true. I still got 2 years, and so does he, so.
Yep. Gotta play it by ear. You can have plans, and then life happens, so, you know.
Very true.
Charleston Executive, Sirius 2 for Delta Mike's turning left cross, runway 9, Charleston Executive. Executive traffic, Sirius 2 for Delta Mike's turning left down, runway 9, Charleston Executive.
Yes, Mike, this is Cap 3990. You catch a look at that moon over the ocean?
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Copy that. Have a good night.
You too, guys.
They're friendly.
Yep. Can't believe you have watch tomorrow morning. You're crazy.
Wasn't going to turn down a chance to fly. That would be crazy.
Yeah, true. Executive traffic, Sirius 2 for Delta Mike's turning left base, runway 9, Executive. %, flaps below 104. Yeah, that moon looks crazy.
Yeah, it really does. I'm getting my medical Friday morning, so I guess anytime after that I should be good.
Yep. Executive traffic, Sirius 2 for Delta Mike's turning final, runway 9, Executive. Okay, that's better, Tabota.